Hello everyone, welcome back to Collab with CNG. Today I'm very happy to show you a Pongal celebration vlog that I was very kindly been allowed to take by our neighbors. And our neighbors, they celebrate Pongal, traditionally. And I was really lucky to be able to see how they celebrate their Pongal. We usually don't do much for Pongal. Honestly, we just celebrate it as a holiday and like that's all. But our neighbors were, the night before decorating their house with the kolam in front of that. Kolam is nothing but a rangoli which they're putting in front of the house, and they were doing all this the night before as a preparation for the next day because it was a big day for them. And I will show you the whole process of how they were making the pongal.
Hello everyone, welcome back. And today we're going to do the regional walk and talk. Today we are in Tamil Nadu, from the Erode district in Satyamangalam, and we're going to see the Pongal celebration here. So I'm all ready for the Pongal celebration, wearing my traditional attire, and come with us and go and see the Pongal celebration, how it's going on so far. First, we see that all the houses have been decorated with all the rangolis, which is called kolam in Tamil, and they have all started decorating. Yeah, we have already started, making the traditional pongal in the, mud vessel in the gas. So, like, we're not using the gas, but we're on outside, and we're gonna start putting the rice, milk, and all of that. And we're gonna do it professionally. So I'm gonna show you all that's gonna happen around.
So after some time, we see that the pongal is going to be like nearly risen, and that's what we all are waiting for. And this, I'm like standing for the past 15 minutes, just waiting. Will this thing bubble up or not? And yay! Finally, it started bubbling up, and the water's all come out. Yay! It's pongal, and now we are going to put rice in, and put lentils, and put some jaggery, and finally make the pongal. It is one of the traditional sweet um, dishes that is made in Tamil Nadu. It's also made in Karnataka, and they always make it on Pongal because it's a sweet dish and it's to celebrate the harvest, and it's no wonder really tasty. And definitely something we should enjoy. And that's it. Our Pongal is ready, and this is how our neighbors celebrated and the Pongal. And we are really grateful that we were able to see this event live, and we've never seen anything made like this before. And it was our very first time seeing such of this. And I'm really glad that I was able to see it and share it with all of you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Until we see tomorrow. Bye, everyone.